In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock content in DocuSign so recipients can view it but not edit it. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, look for the option to start a new envelope. Depending on your screen, this may appear as Start or Send an envelope. Select that option to begin preparing the document. Next, upload the document you want to add content to. This can be the file you plan to send out for signature. And once it has finished uploading, you'll be able to set up recipients and place fields inside the document. After that, enter the recipient's name and email address. Make sure the details are correct because this determines who will receive and interact with the document. When that's done, select Next to open the document editor. Inside the editor, find the field you want to add. DocuSign offers several choices, such as a text field, checkbox, drop-down, or other available field types. Choose the one that best fits the content you need to display, then place it in the correct location on the document. Try to position it carefully so it aligns neatly with the rest of the form and is easy for the recipient to understand. Once the field is in place, enter the content you want displayed in that field. This is the information you want visible in the document before the recipient opens it. After entering the content, select the field again to open its properties. In the Properties panel, look for the Read Only or Locked option. In DocuSign, read-only fields are used to prevent recipients from changing the content, which is exactly what you want here. Enable the Read-Only or Locked setting, and if required, assign the field to the appropriate recipient. This is useful if the field needs to be associated with a specific person in the signing workflow. If you have additional content that should remain fixed, repeat the same process for each field you want to lock. When everything is set up, review the document carefully and verify that the locked content appears correctly. Then select Next or Send to continue. Before sending it out, review the document from the recipient's perspective and confirm that the locked content cannot be edited. This final check helps prevent mistakes and ensures only the intended fields remain editable. Once you've confirmed everything looks right, send the document for signing. After it's sent, verify that the recipient can complete the remaining editable fields while the locked content stays unchanged. Thanks for watching.